Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm excited to show you the August Allure Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with Allure Beauty Box, it is a subscription box that is put out by Allure, the magazine. The editor picks and different things for the best in beauty are samples and full-size products that you will get in the Allure Beauty Box. This box is $25 a month. It does get cheaper per box if you pay ahead 3 months at a time or a year at a time. I pay 3 months at a time, so I get mine around $20 a box, so it's even better. So I can't wait to see what's inside this box. Let's check it out. As we go through this box, I'd love for you to tell me what are your favorite products that you see in there. Which ones have you tried before? Which ones would you like to try? If you're interested in getting the Allure box yourself, I will leave the link below. But let me know what you think about this one in the comments when we get to the products and tell me which ones are your favorite. Let's see what's inside. The box will come with a little card, and there is usually information about the products that are in the box and the card. So this will tell us if what we got is full size or sample, what the value of it is, and some information about how to use it as well. Now in this box, you will get 6 or more items with at least 3 of them being full size. So we're going to check and go through, make sure we got our 3 full size items, make sure we got 6 or more items total, and see what we got inside. Our first item that we got in this box is from Daily Concepts, and these are reusable rounds. So where you would buy those cotton rounds for your toner or makeup application or removal, this is a reusable one. You don't have to dispose of them. You just wash it and go again. So this is a 2-pack, and this is the way it sells. A 2-pack would be $9.99. So this counts as one of our full-size products. And I do use the round cotton, so I'm excited to see how these work. I'm going to open it up and see what they look like. Okay, so they're pretty good size. They feel like a chamois, almost like you would use on your car, but super soft. And I'm glad to say there seemed to be double-sided one piece of fabric versus a piece of fabric that was folded over on itself. I would prefer it this way. And they are thick and they're good enough size to really get in and get your cleaning done and put on your toner or different things you want to use them for. And then just hand wash them or throw them in a wash in a bag or something, and they'll come clean and nice to use again. Our next item is the Juliet Has a Gun Not a Perfume. My sister actually has gotten this in a sample before and she really likes it. The full size of this would be 100 milliliters, so a little over 3 ounces, and it would be $150. This is a 5 milliliter sample size, so this is going to be one of those little bitty squirties. It comes in a nice size box for being a little bitty squirty. Oh, that's a good size. That's bigger than I thought it was going to be. I was thinking those little bitty cards, but that is a good size little purse perfume. This one does smell really nice. It says it has, this says it is a unique fragrance made of just one note called Catalox, C-A-T, I think it's C-A-T-A-L-O-X, I think, which is a fresh musk that is deceptively complex, making this one interesting skin scent. So this is just spray onto your pulse points perfume. And again, a really good size sample for that. And Krista will get that one because she likes it a lot. Our next one is Manyo. And this is a pure cleansing oil. And this is a deluxe sample size. The full size of this would be 200 milliliters at $29. This is a 25 milliliter size, so even the full size is not super pricey, but there's definitely enough in here to try it and see if you like it. And I think the bottle is yellow, not so much the oil. It may also be yellow, but the bottle is definitely yellow. So this is one of our deluxe sample sizes. Our next product is from Dew of the Gods, and this is a lip butter. This says this is a hyaluronic lip butter in Coconut Cloud, and this is a 1/2 ounce size, and it says this is the full size, and this sells for $24. And it's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed, but that is a nice $24 full-size product there, so that's pretty cool. Our next product is from KVD Beauty, and this is a full-size mascara. This is full sleeve mascara, and this is a defining tubing mascara. And you can see some illustrations there. This mascara should make your eyelashes look amazing and then come off very easy because of the tubing formula. It will create a tube around your, ooh, that's pretty, a tube around your lashes, and it makes it easy removal rather than smearing. It should just slide right off. And that is a nice brush. I like it because it's not super floofy. I have a brush that is super floofy and it makes a mess. I can't use it without getting it everywhere. But this one's got the fluffy end to get in around where you want it, and then a smaller size. I like that one. I will enjoy this one a lot. So a great size. This is full size for, this is a $25 full size product. If you were to buy this, this is retail $25. Our last product is from Eclat, E-C-L-A-T. I don't know if the T is silent. Maybe Eclat Skin. And this is a limited edition micellar water with rosemary extract. So this is going to be a cleanser. This is a makeup remover and cleansing water. This is full size. This is 100 milliliters, and this would sell for $38.09. And I can't wait to see what this one looks. I love micellar water. I love micellar water cleansers because they do seem to grab the makeup really well. And this is a good size bottle. This, and using with the reusable rounds, is a great use of these with this to get your eye makeup off, your regular makeup off. This will clean your skin really well, and you can wash and reuse these pads every use. So that's amazing. So we actually, I think we got, if you count this full size, this cleansing water is full size, the mascara is full size, and this lip butter is full size. We got 4 full size products, plus we got 2 samples, one of the perfume and one of the cleansing oil. Excellent value for this box. Allure always does a great job. We did get to do a pick item for the September box. We don't get to do that every month, but we did for this one, and it was a Nude Sticks Blush Stick. I am excited to show you the color I picked out. I can't wait to see what it looks like. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.